Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram bot not working on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for a Telegram app, and this is window. We will go down to find the Twitter app and we will click here on Telegram. We will sorry, it's Telegram, and we come here to Telegram window. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Telegram settings.